You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
The more valuable or fragile an item is, the less room there is for improvisation. Welcome back to the podcast. Today's episode is about specialty packing, specialty furniture, artwork, and pianos. These are the items that tend to create the most anxiety in an international move, and for good reason. They are often valuable, fragile, difficult to replace, or personally meaningful. Let's start with furniture. Large furniture pieces often need more than a moving blanket. Depending on the item, proper preparation may include protective wrapping, disassembly, corner protection, reinforced padding, and sometimes custom crating. The goal is not just to fit it into a container. The goal is to make sure it arrives in the same condition it left. Artwork requires even more precision. Paintings, sculptures, framed pieces, and antiques may need specialized boxes or custom-built crates. They also need accurate inventory descriptions that support both handling and customs review. Then there are pianos. Pianos require a very different level of care because of their weight, internal mechanics, and sensitivity to movement and environmental changes. Proper piano packing may include custom wooden crates, internal stabilization, heavy-duty padding, and handling procedures designed specifically for international transit. What all of these items have in common is that they should be identified early in the planning process. They should never be treated like standard household goods at the last minute. When specialty items are planned for correctly, the move becomes far more predictable. When they are not, that is when risk increases. Specialty items need specialty planning, not standard packing with extra hope. If your move includes furniture, artwork, or a piano, call 877-339-0267 or visit sdcinternationalshipping.com to plan the shipment the right way.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.